What's the COVID protocol for the start of this school year?
Well, TEA just released on the 1st their new health guidance, and so protocols will be, if we'll follow the same mitigations. We're going to make sure that we are cleaning our buildings, high touch point surfaces. We are making sure that we are taking care of our students preventatively as much as we can. If a student tests positive for COVID or a staff member, they will have to follow the CDC and the TEA guidelines of 5 days of isolation. Hopefully symptoms improve, fever goes away, and after the 5 days they can return to campus, and masks are encouraged for the next 5 days for a total of 10 days. Protocols will continue. We'll continue to have our dashboard on a weekly basis. We'll update the community on the dashboard just as the Brazoria County does. We'll report everything to the state for tracking. We are reapplying for the COVID testing measures through TEA. They have increased their testing measures and are asking for an asymptomatic screening process, which we are not sure we will be conducting in Pearland, so we are reviewing that. But we want to make sure that we have all the resources, all the mitigations that we can. And moving forward, it aligns. You know, we have that monkeypox thing coming around. That's can be a little scary. You get that rash and monkeypox. So fortunately, our COVID mitigation for cleaning, our custodians do a phenomenal job of high touch point cleaning all throughout the day. They're cleaning door handles, they're cleaning countertops, they're cleaning bathrooms to make sure that on surface areas, either the COVID virus or now the monkeypox virus is taken care of and removed. And then in situations where we do have a positive case, our custodial staff goes in and does deep cleaning. And so we will continue with our mitigations, and we will follow the new TEA guidelines that can be found at the TEA website under the health guidance for COVID.
I know you mentioned the dashboard, but will you also do COVID contact tracing?
What we will do is the same as we did last time. We will do classroom notifications letters. So if we get a positive case, report it to us within that 5-day period of isolation. We will notify the classroom to make sure that the parents understand that somebody in your classroom did report to us that they tested positive.
And you talked about the cleaning procedures that are already in place for monkeypox, but if we see an outbreak, a significant rise in monkeypox cases, will protocol be revisited?
If something like that happens, we will have to work with Brazoria County Health Department to figure out what mitigations or changes they would want to take place. If we did have an outbreak of monkeypox, just like if we have an outbreak of chickenpox or the flu, we would put protocols in place with our nurses to where they would be contacting the parents and letting them know that, hey, we've had these issues coming up. Communication is key. Transparency is key. We hope that does not happen. We hope that our mitigation prevents that from happening, but we would work with our medical people in the schools, our nurses, as well as Brazoria County Health Department to figure out the best practices to make sure that we can quell any outbreak of monkeypox that will happen.